Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a cute koala bear. Let's doodle! Okay, starting up here at the top of the page, we're going to start by drawing the koala bear's top of its head first and some hairs on top. So these are just two little sort of triangle-y hook lines and then a curved line, and then we're going to stop right about there. And now let's draw the ears, and these are furry ears, so we're going to do some fur lines as we go around this sort of oval circle shape. But we're not going to complete it, we're going to stop right about here. So here we go, up, and then we're going to hook it in, and then another, and then we loop it down like that and we stop right there. Okay, now let's do the other ear, and starting right about where we started, we're going to go up, and we are going to do the same on this side. That. That. And we're going to stop right about there. Okay, now let's do the sides of the koala's head. So starting here, leaving a little space, we're just going to do a curved line down like this. And then on the other side, a curved line down like this. And at the end of those lines, we're going to do little fur lines on both sides. And now let's finish the head off, and it's just a curved line. And we're going to stop right there like that. This on this side as well, and stop right there. Okay, now let's draw the inside of the ear shape. So in a little bit from this line, we're gonna do a curved line around, and we're gonna hook it back in like that, and then we're gonna do the same on this side, and we're gonna hook it in like that. Okay, now let's do the face on the koala, and we're gonna start by drawing one of the eyes here, and this is kind of an oval, a slight oval, so it's almost a circle, but it's not. And then one on this side as well, like that. And then we're going to do smaller circles inside of that oval for the highlights. And we'll do a double highlight, so then an even smaller circle and an even smaller circle. And let's color that in black. Like that, and like this. Okay, now let's do the nose, and koalas kind of have big noses, so this is a big oval here. So starting right here in between the eyes, a little bit up, we're gonna do a big oval shape like this. And then back up. And we're going to color that all in black, like this. I just want to fix that curve a little bit here. You can always go back and fix stuff. There we go. All right, and let's give it a smiley face. So we're just under the nose, we're gonna do a curved line up like that. And maybe we'll do little cheek lines like that. Okay, now let's do the body. So down here on the bottom of the head is just a curved line like that. And then on the other side, the same curved line like that. And then with the feet are gonna just be kind of oval shapes that don't connect. Go down, and we'll stop right there. Let's do the other side. Like that. And then we're gonna finish it off. So back here, we're gonna come in and we're gonna pause there like that. And then same on this side. And now we're gonna do the arms in front of the body. So starting up here, we're just gonna do a curved line that intersects with the feet line, and then it hooks back around. It comes back up, stops there, and we're going to do the same on this side. And then we'll put a little line. And let's do some finger lines. 1, 2, 1, 2. And we'll do some toe lines. 1, 2, 1, 2. And we'll do the pads on the foot, which are just ovals like this. And an oval over here like this.
I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in.
Okay, I'm gonna make my koala kind of a light blue, almost a light gray blue color. But you can make yours any color you want. And we'll do the inside of the ears kind of like an off-white color. Kind of like a very light yellow. Same with the pads of the feet.
Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.